Hello everyone, this is again Tayewa Phillips, founder Healing Health, Healing Hearts. We are creating stronger, better thoughts for life, and we have been able to create food security around refugee settlements here in Nakivale. But today I would like to share with you that we have set up a regeneration budget for 2025 where we need your support. Like we need to run all these activities. We need to buy our plot around the lake. So we are very clear with the coin, whatever you donate, it will be responded well and no waste, as we have money transparency in our organization, and we shall keep clear coin and record everything that drops on the GoFundMe and how it will be accountable, so that we teach people on how we can regenerate from the small note that we receive. So we are looking forward to run this GoFundMe smoothly throughout this year, so that we can regenerate more funding. So we call upon you support us in this fundraising, so that we can secure land, we can develop black soldier fly, we can have transportation, so that the community can be well sustainable with the support that you give us and with the energy that we invest in. I thank you so much.